what we're going to talk about is essentially the digital drill plan pattern design and fragmentation is one of the important characteristics of any type of planning that you do. And not only that helps assess various environmental or fly rock conditions, but also it's an important part of making sure that drill planning is done in a compliance way. However, the traditional survey workflows like using the survey equipment, which are GPS equipments for every shot, it's very impractical because time consuming, and there's all sorts of points that comes with it that makes it difficult to do it every time. But with the PPK drones, now we have kind of optimized this digital pattern design to take care of this workflow in minutes. So you can fly over with a PPK drone or a bench for 5 minutes, no base station requirement, no GCPs. On top of that, you're getting the very accurate data along with the pattern design that you can do and the data processing under 45 minutes. And then optimization of pattern can be run to get your accurate drill hole positions, and then that can be further transmitted to the smart drill or your rover or any other devices that you have for the direct layout here. So no reformatting required. You can use the rover if you have the rover, or if you can also use the tape measures as well. Since now you have the accurate hole locations, you can easily measure to lay out the holes as well.